Hello everyone, my name's MJ and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you about one of our most inconspicuous devices yet, the Wi-Fi Weather Station Nanny camera. But first, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just click the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, spycenter.com, and if you'd like to purchase this product, click the link in the upper right hand corner or click the link in the description below. This is one of the best ideas I've seen for a hidden nanny cam. Capable of being hidden in plain view, this camera is one of our most versatile designs, considering that it actually functions as a normal weather station clock. The Wi-Fi accessibility allows you to view through the camera on your smartphone or tablet from wherever you may be, making the possibilities endless. All you need is an internet connection and the free-to-download app. Once synced to the Wi-Fi, the device accurately displays the current time and forecast wherever you are. Having the general peace of mind to keep an eye on your home or office is a huge value for anyone with that concern. With crisp 1080p live stream and smooth 720p video recordings, this weather station will offer an amazing viewing experience however you'd like. Let's also not forget that this camera has the ability to see up to 18 feet in complete darkness. Keep in mind that the added power required from night vision decreases the 4 to 5 hour battery life, so it's a good idea to keep it plugged in while recording with night vision. This device utilizes micro SD card storage to save the footage, with up to 128GB size, which can be retrieved from your device so you can transfer your video files directly onto your computer or laptop and then view them back via Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or QuickTime. Since the camera is Wi-Fi accessible, you will also have access to your captured recordings through the TinyCam app on your smartphone, making this camera great for remote or active use. Let me show you what comes in the box and how to set it up.
In the box, you'll find the Quick Guide, which has a direct link to the app download for the App Store and Google Play Store, the complete user manual, which contains any and all information you'll need to know about product setup, operation, and utilization. Up next, we have the unit itself. As you can see, it has a sleek, discreet design with no visible camera lens. On the back, you'll see the kickstand and the QR code. Under this concealment flap, you'll see the micro SD card slot, the power button, and the reset button. To get started with the setup, we're going to go ahead and plug it into power with the provided micro USB cable and block. After this, we're going to go ahead and put in the micro SD card, and then we're going to press and hold the power button until the device display turns on. After this, the Wi-Fi should then begin broadcasting, so now it's time to head over to our phone. After downloading the app from the provided QR code on the Quick Guide, head over to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the HCAM network that your unit is broadcasting. Once you're connected, head over to the TinyCam app to get set up. Click Add Device, then Add Device manually. Click Scan QR code and then go to the back of your device where you'll find the QR code. You can then take the sticker off as to not arouse any suspicion. Then just give it a location and then click Done. Now on the home screen, if you click the play button, you'll enter the viewing mode. From the viewing mode, on the top, you can change the different qualities of the live stream. On the bottom row, you can click the camera button to take a photo, and then click the video button to begin or end recordings. Back at the home screen, if you click on the bottom left file icon, you can see where all the videos and photos you've captured are stored. From here, you can play and download your files. Click on the settings icon to go into the device setting. From here, you can change the name, password, set up the Wi-Fi, set up an alarm, and format the micro SD card. Let's set up the Wi-Fi. go ahead and click Wi-Fi config and then go and sign into your Wi-Fi as you normally would. After that, click Done, wait a few minutes, and now as you can see, I've turned off my Wi-Fi and I can still view the camera and access all the settings and recordings.
Now that we've synced the camera to our Wi-Fi, we can remote view and record anywhere we can get a signal. Now let's check out a few quality demonstrations for this fantastic hidden camera.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center Security is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center Security encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a quality demonstration at 20 feet. Notice that the 110-degree lens covers the entire room. Now let's check out some night vision footage. As you can see as I go down this corridor, the infrared night vision perfectly illuminates me. Now let's head back to the studio.
The Wi-Fi weather station camera offers a crisp 1080p live stream video while allowing you to also record 720p HD directly to the internal SD card. It also functions as a real weather station, providing readout of the temperature, humidity, date, and time. Being able to practically place the camera anywhere is another huge advantage. Whether it's in a bedroom, kitchen, or even office space, with about 18 feet of night vision, the options are truly endless. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorials and review videos. If you want to check out this product, I'm going to put the link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, Spy Center is now accepting other cashless secure payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What sets Spy Center apart from other spy gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 US states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any questions you may have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.